Weather-wise, it's going to be a rainy day today. We've already picked up a few light showers through the morning hours. I actually woke up to some of the heavier rainfall from a couple hours ago before heading into work this morning. But rain expected for the next 3 days, at least of the scattered variety. Today is going to be the wettest of those 3 days. Bit on the breezy side as well, and it will be cool for Mother's Day. Temperatures almost 15 degrees below average across Washington. But here's our first storm system. Of course, some very widespread rain on the western side of the state. Nothing looks particularly heavy or like it's a torrential downpour, but a lot of coverage in terms of that rainfall, and it's going to fill in on the eastern side of the state as well. So as we go throughout the rest of the morning, what is currently just a sliver of a few showers going to turn into more widespread rainfall across central and eastern Washington through the rest of the morning, and it will push into North Idaho as well, likely in the afternoon hours. There's 2 o'clock today with some steady and widespread rainfall, little bits of some heavier or moderate downpours as well. And then it will be trekking off to the eastward by about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening. That will be the heaviest batch of rain that we see over these next 3 days, next 72 hours or so. As we look at tomorrow morning, this is a bit drier for a start to the day. And then the next storm system, number 2, is going to start to move into the area by the afternoon. There's 3 p.m. on Friday, scattered showers in our southern areas at first, turning into just more scattered showers into the day on Saturday. Again, doesn't look as widespread as what it will be for today, so that makes Thursday the wettest of these next 3 days. And that's where the bulk of the rainfall is going to fall. Our computer models are above an inch in terms of total amount of rain for the next 3 days combined, but most of that will be falling today. That is a good soaking for the region, with areas in North Idaho and probably the panhandle of North Idaho likely getting the most rainfall overall. If you were wondering if we hit 70 degrees yesterday, the answer is just shy of that mark. 69 in Spokane, Coeur d'Alene, and Deer Park, still waiting on our first 70-degree day of the year. The warmest spot was in Lewiston, where it was 76 degrees yesterday. And this is a huge temperature split across the country. It's not just going to be spring-like, it'll be summer-like for portions of the Midwest and a lot of the eastern U.S. come next week. We are on the other side of the jet stream, so that's why our temperatures are going to be about 10-15 degrees colder than average through Mother's Day and all of next week. I don't even have highs in the 60s for the next 7 days. So because we didn't hit 70 degrees yesterday, we're waiting a whole nother week, and this is going to put us now into the top 4 latest first 70-degree day of the year in terms of that statistic. Yeah, temperatures just in the low to mid 50s for the next 7 days, including a very cool Mother's Day.